Alam niyo po na comment ko namin na September 14. Hindi ko namin alam na 2007 pala, kadating yung day, which celebrates every September 14, the Feast of the Triumph of the Holy Ghost. So, God is very big things for us. And this year po, on September 14, 2008, will be our 10th year anniversary. Very excited. Every year, we have two major celebrations in this mountain. January 30 and isa. Yun po yung anniversary ko sa
Yung kanin, isagad na sa araw yan.
Ayaw nila mag-stress.
Dinalat ka ng dinalat. Kaya naman.
Lagay ko na dito yung mga kanin.